Not so good news today. Company insolvencies in England and Wales in August rose 19% year on year to the third highest level since monthly records started in January 2019, as firms grapple with rising costs and uncertain economic outlook, as government data showed on Friday. The Insolvency Service, that's a government agency, reported 2,308 corporate insolvencies last month, up from 1,728 in July. Companies were mostly declared insolvent through creditors' voluntary liquidations, in which a firm's directors agree to wind up the business without a formal court order. The rate of businesses falling into insolvency fell sharply at the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, thanks to government support programs and lockdowns slowing the progress of courts handling insolvency cases. The figures also showed a 45% increase in compulsory liquidations, partly due to more requests from authorities to recover funds from businesses that were unable to pay their tax bill. Companies' financing costs have surged as the Bank of England, which is expected to raise interest rates again since December 2021, battles to tame persistent inflation. Insolvencies for individuals fell 11% on an annual basis in August, which the Insolvency Service said was due to a decline in the summer of individual voluntary arrangements. Breathing space applications, which hold off creditor action for 60 days so people in debt can reorganize their finances, jumped 19% on a year ago. But the pubs aren't doing any better, and I talked about this several times. The number of pubs in England and Wales has again fallen significantly due to high costs. In the second quarter, 230 bars closed their doors forever, around 50% more than at the beginning of the year. And this emerges from government data compiled by real estate consultant Altus Group and published on Monday. In the first half of the year, a total of 383 pubs were demolished or converted into apartments, offices, and kindergartens. That was around 2 every day and around as many as in the whole of 2022, when 386 restaurants closed. There were still 39,404 pubs in England and Wales at the end of June. Altus expert Alex Probyn called on Finance Minister Jeremy Hunt to moderate the property tax rise planned for April. The restaurants and pubs suffered from high energy costs, low economic growth, and high interest rates. An average property tax increase of £12,385 next year is the last thing pubs need, Probyn said. Experts blame increased energy, labor, and wholesale prices for the industry's problems, as do declining disposable incomes of consumers. And many commuters also stayed away due to strikes in rail traffic. Large chains such as market leader Wetherspoons, which recently closed dozens of pubs, are just as affected as smaller pubs. And according to analyses, there is growth in independent craft beer providers or themed pubs. So this might be ideal for one or the other to keep his pub open, but they have to dig in that topic a little bit more deeply. Was a quick one tonight, but I thought that topic was still important. If you want to see another video right now, the next one is right here in the end screen, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll be back.